what really gets me up in the morning is the consulting work we do here, helping people understand what the numbers really mean. My favorite consulting work that we do is when we have a new business getting ready to start up and they just have no idea. They're at ground zero, helping them pick the right entity, understanding what they can and can't write off, how to get money out of that entity that they created. I mean, this stuff all sounds really simple if you're an accountant, but you got to remember that most people who are starting a business aren't financial professionals. They're great at swinging a hammer or at serving a customer. And, we just don't think that we're providing value to a client by taking a bunch of receipts and adding them up at our hourly rates. That's not providing anything to them that they can't do themselves. So what we do with those clients is we help them organize things, kind of understand what's personal and what's business, and how to get them into a system so that this never happens to them again.
The main reason that I like to encourage businesses, especially small businesses, to outsource their payroll is, again, you don't know what you don't know. There are a lot of intricacies in payroll that people just don't understand. The first IRS notice that you get, you're doing payroll on your own, and what do you do with it? How do you respond? We're going to be able to advise you and help you in your situation with your not-for-profit, with your business, with your church. How do you implement something like that? How do you track those paid leave hours so that you remain compliant with the law and, keep your employees happy and paid?
And for those businesses that do have an in-house accountant, we love that. That's a lot less of the day-to-day kind of grunt work that we have to do in the firm. And, we're not interested in charging clients for things they don't necessarily need. But having that third party, that outside accountant who's at a firm, who's looking at those books that your inside accountant has prepared, really provides a level of comfort to the business owner who, usually by the time you hire an outside accountant, you're not the person cashing the checks and paying the bills. It provides a level of comfort to them knowing that there's another set of eyes on things, that things are being done properly. It allows everybody to trust each other. It keeps honest people honest.